worst year for insurance companies in more than a decade.
Net losses for the industry, get this, more than $101 billion nationwide. And as a result, those rates, like many others, they're expected to continue to climb. Webb Wright has a look at what can be done to keep the costs in check. Webb?
According to that same study, homeowner insurance rates jumped more than 11% in 2023. It's a spike that adds another worry for realtors and home buyers navigating the current economy.
And even if they're paying cash, they need to know what their homeowner's insurance is.
It's true now more than ever, as insurance rates are expected to rise as we move through hurricane season.
I asked my insurance agent, why did it go up so much? Because it looks like the magic number that I'm seeing across the board is about $400 more a year. And she said, well, people are, filing claims a lot more. They look at claims and they look at the cost of repairs and how many you filed.
Extreme weather is playing a huge part in the increase in rates, from an increase in hurricanes to more convective storms like severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. S&P cites a record-breaking number of billion-dollar loss events from storms as part of the insurance issue.
Get that insurance binder in place immediately, because you have to have insurance 30 days before you can file a claim in hurricane season. I'm not an insurance agent, but I know a little bit about making sure that the house is covered when it closes.
In the Lowcountry, another tip to help cut rates: getting an elevation certificate may help.
That definitely affects your insurance rate. They don't necessarily always go by where you're located as far as the beach or a lake. They go by sometimes the amount of water if there's a flood. So I highly recommend that you add an elevation certificate.
And of course, choosing a high deductible can also lower rates.
I've talked to somebody just this week and they said, I've always had like a $500 deductible, which is really low. They said, I've decided to go with a $5,000 deductible. And of course that makes your insurance payment go down. But just making sure that you're just paying attention to what's going out, so that what's coming in, you're okay with it.
Now, South Carolina also offers an insurance tax credit for homeowners whose insurance costs exceed 5% of their annual income. And you can learn about that at our website, abcnews4.com. Working for you, Webb Wright, News 4.